So hello guys, we are here to witness a match between Reapers and Rising Star FC. Rising Star FC led by Firoz Bhai. Okay. Firoz Bhai, any words before the match?
Before the match, I would like to make a word after the match.
Okay, chalo. All the best.
Thank you.
So that's the Reapers team who is doing the warm-ups. And this is the Reapers FC led by Sanjeev Bhai. Sanjeev Bhai, any words before the match?
भैया
Chalo then. Good luck.
बाद वर्ड्स
Good luck guys.
थैंक यू
And that's our referee for the match, Asad Bhaiya. There are few players. And that's Arvind curling his hair. Odi, the organizer.
Look at his hairstyle. हाँ डिमांड है सौरभ भाई का
Okay, okay. I'll take a note of the feedback.
शो मिस्टर हार्दिक गुरु
And Harry, once again, the smiling face of this team. Hello guys, it's almost time. And here are some legendary players. Dai just had a match. Puneet, Gawas.
सर जी बैठो इधर
Yeah, please.
हारा हुआ टीम में अब अभी बैठ सकता हूँ
अरे यार लेजेंडरी टीम मेंबर्स, आप जिधर चाहे उधर बैठ सकते, कोई मना नहीं करेगा.
थैंक यू धन्यवाद आपके दिन शुभ हो
A nice beautiful weather here in Pune on Gitai launch, where we have a good match to witness. Reapers FC versus Rising Star FC.
आओ आओ
Few spectators who are stretching themselves out.
स्कोर मैनेजमेंट को एक चेयर मिलता है बैठने को
Is it almost time? Anyway.
मोर देन 50 मिनट लेट हो गया है
Okay.
ए
Toss.
एवरीबॉडी एल्स कम आउट
Toss.
बाकी से बाहर आओ बाहर आओ अप्पू बाहर आओ
Organizers doing the needful. There are some mischievous guys who don't want to listen.
कैमरामैन सौरभ भैया के साथ
And this is
कमेंटर
Anmol, the
Hi.
defensive wall.
वी वन गाइस
Defensive wall of 11 Grenadiers. And Arvind, the defensive wall for his team. Laundry. Don't trust this guy. बारिश का पानी है. Don't trust him.
चलेगा मेरे
Arvind.
आपको अकेले प्रैक्टिस कर रहा है भाई अपने मैच के लिए
Dedication. That's the dedication demonstrated by Appu. He is trying to warm up his body for his next match. So whoever is playing against Appu, please do watch out for him.
I might be wrong. अपना next match 30th को Rising Stars से आना
नहीं राइजिंग स्टार गेम देख
नहीं तो लाइन्स में ना इधर बात मत कर रहे हैं रिपर
referee calling for the toss.
हाँ छोटा है अंदर रखो बट अगर उसके कारण कुछ लगता है सामने वाले प्लेयर को मैं फिर वो है ये ठीक है। और सब लोग विसल पे खेलेंगे जो भी कुछ इशू रहेगा कैप्टन से आगे बात करेंगे कैप्टन और वाइस कैप्टन भी खेलेगा ना हाँ और जो भी रहेगा सिर्फ विसल पे गेम खेलेंगे और आराम से
अरविंद अरविंद अरविंद
रखना है कुछ ही गेम इधर कुछ रहेगा जो भी रहेगा कैप्टन से आगे बात करेंगे। लाइट्स पे 5 फीट है स्टे लास्ट रहेगा जब तक मैं विसल नहीं बजाएंगे बॉल रुकना नहीं चाहिए गेम रुकना नहीं चाहिए। अच्छा देखिए लाइट्स पे 5 फीट है हाँ और जो भी है आप लोग अगर 5 फीट जो भी फाउल होता है जो भी होता है 5 यार्ड्स खुद ही जाकर रोक दिया सामने वाले प्लेयर टीम ने बॉल मार दिया तुम्हारे अंक में वापस से फाउल देंगे अपोजिट टीम ठीक है। रिस्क आप लोग अपना नॉर्मल गेम है नॉर्मल गेम की तरह ही खेलो ज़्यादा हैवी फाउल्स वगैरह कर मत खेलो रिलैक्स खेलो ठीक है। गेम को गेम की तरह खेलो स्पोर्ट्समैन चलो।
Okay, that was the ref Asad Bhaiya instructing the team.
कोई नहीं क्या किसी पास कोई दो ना जल्दी कोई रहेगा तो ऑनलाइन करो
It's Swapnil from Rising Star FC.
ये स्वप्न जा रहे हैं रॉक पे कुछ जल्दी के रख दो एक बढ़िया वाला पॉइंट बड़ा सा
इधर ही टांग के रखिए
मैं लाऊं क्या ले जाएगा इधर से
मैं लाता हूँ
लेक बड़ा लेगा
One request.
हाँ हाँ वही चाहिए
One request, guys. Accidentally, you might spoil the audio. Please.
कम ऑन गाइस आराम से खेलो दोनों टीम इधर ही हुआ कौन बोला आराम
That's Rising Star FC. That's Bhaiya.
कौन सुनेगा वैसे
And that's Reapers FC. There are few comments which you might hear in the background. Please try to ignore them.
यूजलेस कमेंट्स वी आर जस्ट प्रोड्यूसर और जो भी कमेंट है वो जो बोलने वाले हैं उनका रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है यू कैन कॉन्टेक्ट देम
So
डायरेक्टली
this audio will be censored. Our editor will do this due diligence.
हफ्ते में मैच दिन में थक जाते हैं क्या
Okay, so Reapers have decided for the start and Rising Star FC have chosen the side. Ref doing final checks on the ball.
हाँ बढ़ाए ना इसके पहले प्रॉपर बढ़ाए चलो भाई यू कैन मूव एनीवेयर जहाँ से अच्छे
Sure, sure. So Subhajit with the kickoff. A very sensible game started by the Reapers. Good pass by Subhajit, taken up by Suhas Bhaiya. Again to Subhajit. Subhajit giving a good pass to Suhas Bhai. Suhas Bhai maintaining the ball. Oh. But it was a good move by the Reapers FC. Goalkeeper collecting the ball, passing it to Atharva. Atharva going for the long ball. He's trying to find Swapnil, but then effectively cleared by Reapers FC. So Rising Star FC have won the ball. Anna gave the ball to Swapnil. A nice trick by Swapnil, however, couldn't pass the defense. Anna again gave the ball to FC. A good strike by Ritik from Rising Star FC. And a goal kick for the Reapers FC. Lalit taking a long kick. A direct pass to Subhajit, chested by Subhajit. Hard luck by Kshitij. Oh! A close call. Good pressure by Subhajit. Jitubai starting the kick. Atharva on the ball. A nice ball by Atharva, however missed by both the defense as well as the striker from Rising Star FC. A really amazing ball by Atharva there. Again, Lalit taking the long shot. Oh, what a header that was from Kshitij. However, unfortunately missed. But an amazing try on the long ball by Kshitij. Sanjeev Bhaiya making the run for the ball, maintaining his body, his composure. Okay, showing his class. Atharva on the free kick. Atharva passing the ball on the line towards Swapnil, but well intercepted by Lalit. Atharva taking a good shot at the goal, but very nicely covered by the goalkeeper Fardeen. Swapnil on the corner kick, passing it to Atharva. Atharva couldn't contain the ball, cleared by Lalit. Firoz Bhai on the ball. Now Subhajit has the control of the ball. Nice header by Subhajit. Kshitij on the ball. He's make the run. Let's see what makes of this particular opportunity. Nicely cleared. Oh, what a move that was from Harsh, who passed the ball for a header to Subhajit. Jitu Bhai taking the goal kick. Atharva moving the ball through the feet of Subhajit. A good pass by Rising Star FC. Again Atharva on the ball. Couldn't keep it. Sanjeev Bhai rushing there to help his teammates. A good pass by Suhas. Kshitij on the ball. Kshitij passes it sensibly to the teams. And again another nice header. Oh, it was a good chance for Kshitij, but however couldn't hit the volley where it was required. Again Atharva on the ball. Atharva playing the long balls, waiting, hoping for Swapnil to cover it up. Again a little lack of control, which gives an advantage to Subhajit Bhai. A claim for a handball, and ref has given the handball advantage to the Reapers FC. Subhajit on the ball. Sanjeev Bhai spreading out. Let's see what happens. A good shot by Subhajit. He was going for the glory. Again ball for outside. Sanjeev Bhai on the ball. A good pass by Sanjeev Bhai. Subhajit trying to make a room. Anna from the Rising Star couldn't keep it in. Ball for Reapers FC. Kshitij trying to Swapnil with the ball, but couldn't keep it. Ball with the Reapers FC.
5 feet.
Sanjeev Bhai on the ball, taking a long kick, hoping for Kshitij to catch up on the run. Jitu Bhaiya taking the ball from the goal kick, passing it again back to Atharva. Let's see what Atharva makes out of it. He's again going for that aerial ball. Nicely intercepted by Lalit, who is trying to make the control of the ball, and nicely passed to Suhas. Suhas takes a nice touch, however nowhere there. Harish Bhai from Reaper FC trying to do his clearance duties and very well cleared. Quite interesting match until now. Jitu Bhai again on the ball. Let's see if he again gives it to Atharva. Okay, he goes with Anna. Okay, Anna passes the ball in the midfield. Midfield giving it back to Atharva. Is Atharva going to go for that ball? Yeah! A nice run by Swapnil. However, couldn't connect. Good defensive work by Reapers FC and nicely cleared by Lalit. Jitu Bhai collecting the ball. He's going for the long kick. Nicely trapped by Lalit and cleared. Subhajit Bhai again showing his skills, his experience, trying to get that header in. Atharva playing the ball on the line, but Rising Star FC players couldn't just keep it. Lateral pass by Lalit, ball with Sanjeev Bhaiya. Sanjeev Bhaiya looking for his players, and again an aerial pass, hoping to find Subhajit. Subhajit with making use of his long legs, is trying to cover the ground. A good ankle by Subhajit Bhaiya. Nice pass by Swapnil, but well intercepted. Swapnil again on the ball, who laterally passes it to Atharva. Atharva controlling the ball. Sensible play by Atharva, trying to calm things down here. Oh, equally good pass, but then very loosely left. We can expect more from players at this moment. Swapnil, good tackle by Swapnil, has an advantage, but then just too hard for the players to reach out. But definitely it's a good game demonstrated by Rising Star FC, showing their class that they shouldn't be taken up lightly. Again, Lalit Bhai on the ball, he's going for that long kick, trying to find Subhajit, but then just couldn't connect. Jitu Bhai again passing the ball to Atharva. Let's see what Atharva does. Is he still looking for that long ball? Oh, I think lack of connect over there. A good pass and a good header by Subhajit. Good Sanjeev Bhai maintaining the control, composure of the game. A good ball towards his team member, but then nicely cleared by Firoz. Very cautious there and trying to fulfill his defensive duties. Harish has passed the ball to Sitish, but then Sitish lost it. Maybe he could have passed it to Subhajit Bhaiya. Jitu trying to take the goal kick. A nice goal kick by Jitu, precisely to his team members. Nicely well chested. Suhas heading the ball towards Subhajit. Subhajit with a nice heel, back heel. Nice turn there by Suhas, but unfortunately a corner. Suhas still on the ball. Subhajit just lurking around the line. A very effective player who should have been really nicely marked. Suhas playing the long ball towards Lalit Bhaiya. Lalit Bhaiya taking the shot. Again, a good shot by Lalit and nicely defended by Firoz Bhai. Again Jitu passing the ball to Atharva. Atharva passing it to Suroj Bhai. Again Atharva collecting the ball. Good footwork by Atharva. Nice passing. Let's see what can we think of. Pass to Anna. Anna trying to give the ball, but well intercepted and read by Sanjeev Bhai. Now Sitij taking the ball, but then he could have done much better. We can expect more from Sitij. Jitu Bhai taking the goal kick again. Found his team member and a handball by Suhas. Advantage to Rising Star FC. Suhas maintaining the 5 feet distance. Atharva asking for the ball. Maybe he has something else in his mind. He's trying to check with his team members. Gives the pass wide to Swapnil. Swapnil trying to find someone in the D. It was indeed a good move, but nicely cleared by Harish Bhai. Ball still with Rising Star FC. Let's see if he can. Nicely dodged there by Subhajit Bhai, trying to go through the feet. Nicely intercepted by Sitish. Good use of footwork there. Again a corner for Rising Star FC. A good shot, nicely intercepted by the keeper. Sanjeev Bhai maintaining the ball, keeping the ball. Nice use of footwork over there. nicely covered. Again, a good defense by Sanjeev Bhai. Sanjeev Bhai trying to go for the long ball, but intercepted by Swapnil. Given to Atharva. Let's see what Atharva can make out of it. Atharva still rolling on the ball, playing on with it. Gives a sensible back pass, however, missed by his team members. These are the instances where the team needs to be careful. Any back pass could be converted into a counter. A nice try by Suhas Bhaiya. Good pass by Kshitij. And if that would have gone in, things would have been really interesting. Nonetheless, good try by Suhas Bhai. Not that far away from goal. Subhajit Bhai playing to Suhas Bhai. Suhas Bhai turning in and scoring and making that score. What an amazing goal by Suhas Bhai. What an amazing turn and a good shot in the right corner of the pole. So Reapers FC, they have the lead. They have taken the lead of a goal and the scorer is Suhas Bhai. Nice passing by Subhajit, who was the mind behind this particular goal. Ball with Atharva. Atharva looking for Swapnil. Going in for the through ball. Nicely headed by the Reapers. Anna trying to keep the ball in. However, outside for Reapers FC. Subhajit Bhai on the ball. Passed it to Sanjeev. A good chance. A good try. Could have been much better. But good game. Showcase of good football by both the teams. Ample opportunities created from both the teams. Ball towards Firoz Bhai. Firoz Bhai trying to find his members. Passes it laterally and then there's an aerial ball. A good try but then couldn't find a thorough. Lalit rushing for the ball. And he gives an aerial ball towards Subhajit Bhai. Nicely headed by Subhajit Bhai. And passed it to Kshitij. Kshitij giving the ball to Harish. And the ball to Reaper. Sanjeev Bhai on the ball. Sanjeev Bhai passing the ball to Kshitij. Kshitij nicely collected the ball. Oh, good try by Kshitij. However, a little far from the far post. Kshitij claiming for some foul. But referee says it's the game. A good kick towards Atharva. Atharva trying to maintain the ball. So there's a slight confusion between who should have the ball. Is it Reaper region or is it the Rising Star FC? Atharva on the ball. He passes the ball to Swapnil but he couldn't find it. Now this could be an interesting counter where Subhajit Bhai making the runs. These could be dangerous. Nice control on the ball. Good pass. However, intercepted. And a good clearance. Oh, even such kind of goals are allowed. A nice ball to Harish. Let's see Harish. Harish trying to give the pass to Subhajit Bhai. Subhajit Bhai just touches it and passes it to Suhas. Suhas Bhai gives to Sanjeev. A very interesting ball by Sanjeev Bhaiya. What a pass that was. Subhajit Bhai couldn't convert it. Ball with the Rising Star FC, who passes it laterally. Who gives the aerial ball and nicely defended by Harish Bhai. And a good pass as well, but just couldn't find Subhajit Bhaiya, who is trying to adjust his guards. A good ball, but then no one. There's no one, absolutely no one. Maybe the teams need to keep their calm down. Atharva trying to put the pressure, makes the run towards the goal. Lalit Bhai sensibly taking the ball behind and goes for a good aerial pass, which is directly precisely to Subhajit Bhaiya, who chests it. Sanjeev Bhaiya trying to keep the ball, trying to find Kshitij. A nice pass and very well defended by Sanjeev Bhaiya. just right in time to defend for his team. Swapnil looking for his teammate, who's making the run. Again a pass to Swapnil. Swapnil tries to find a pass from between the legs, however his teammate not that alert. A good throw towards Subhajit. Swapnil again rushing for the ball, and again a good piece of defending by Sanjeev Bhaiya. Again a good piece of heading by Sanjeev Bhaiya, who's been a solid pillar of defense for Reaper Legion. He's guiding the team, making the calls. And a nice touch by Subhajit there, who's charging on the ball, and this could have been a goal. Oh, maybe a high foot, maybe a high foot. A good decision by the ref. High foot. Such decisions are really very important because they maintain the calmness of the game. Suraj taking a ball, but again a very nice header, and by Sanjeev Bhaiya, who is just fulfilling and excelling in his defensive duties. Swapnil trying to take an adventure there, okay, however nicely blocked and read by Harish. Swapnil trying to find for his team members. Nicely blocked by Kshitij, who read it quite well. Again the ball to Swapnil. Swapnil gives it to Suraj. Suraj maintaining to Firoz Bhai. Firoz Bhai going for the glory. No. Nicely intercepted by Suhas Bhai. Suhas Bhai, maybe let's see if that goes. Oh, that was an amazing run by Suhas Bhai. What a player, and what a strike that was. Not far away from the top corner of the goal post. If it would have been a goal, it would have been really thrilling to watch. This game going into a very exciting mode. Both teams trying their attempts. A nice clearance by Reaper Legion. Anna collecting the ball. Swapnil on the ball. He passes it to Anna. Anna laterally passing it to Firoz Bhai. Firoz Bhai keeping the ball and passes it to Atharva. Good pass by Firoz Bhai. Atharva again. And a good touch by Subhajit there once again. Good shot by Kshitij, however blocked by the Reapers, by the Rising Star FC. Again Subhajit Bhai on the ball. Kshitij on the D-top. Oh, what a miss that was. Effective and a very nice pass from Subhajit Bhai. Again Suraj taking the long shots, but no players there to receive. A good control by Suhas Bhai. Kshitij, maybe he just took a lot more time than expected. I mean, if you could have struck it right in the first moment, could have been a possible goal. A good pass by Suhas to Sanjeev Bhai. Sanjeev Bhai taking an attempt. Again, a corner and advantage to Reaper Legion. Suhas Bhai on the ball, who's trying to find his team members. Subhajit Bhai making the run, but Suhas Bhai not realizing it. Lalit going on with full throttle. A nice shot from behind. Lalit, the man, the defense, who can equally score goals from long distances. Anna on the ball, Anna passing the ball. Again, Kshitij could have done more over there. A nice run by Kshitij, good cover on the ball. He's trying to keep it in, however unfortunately outside. Rising Star FC passes the ball to Swapnil. Swapnil looks for Atharva. Swapnil doing one touches. A good attempt, however nicely blocked once again by Sanjeev Bhai. Atharva on the ball, who tries to make small passes. A good control on the ball, however too out of reach, too far away for his team members. Subhajit Bhaiya on the ball. Subhajit Bhai passing the ball to Suhas. And this is the half time for this match, where Reaper Region are leading the goal with 1 goals and Rising Star FC with no goals and who are trailing behind. I think a very good game today. Both the teams trying hard for their opportunity. Okay. The Reaper region trying to guide the team members. Subhajit bhai guiding the team. That's the tactic which the Reaper region are deciding. Maybe they are thinking of scoring 1 more goal. The goal scorer Suhas bhai. Atharva taking the touches on the ball. The Rising Star FC, who are currently trailing behind again. And they are trying to make use of the tactics. That's Swapnil, a good player from Rising Star FC. Atharva taking touches on the ball. Appu still practicing, warming up for his next match. Subhajit bhai giving some words of wisdom to goalkeeper Fardin. Effectively a very well played match between Rising Star FC and Reaper region. Both teams trying to take their chances, trying to convert those goals, determined, committed towards football, which is very nice to see. The referee blows the whistle. The teams need to fall in for the second half. Team needs to huddle up. Ref asking for the ball so that the teams are ready for the second half.
दो ना, आप फिसल दो ना, बड़ी फिसल, जो पहला है उनको स्टार्ट दे दो.
Some few comments from the spectators may be worth ignoring, but just captured as background noises. The spectators, now this is the lineman, sir, and a spectator, Anmol Jadhav. Again, few interesting spectators. Bye, Prabhas, Puneet.
नाश्ता वगैरह कुछ खाना पीना हो जाए.